Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Huge drop in the crypto markets today. Same thing with the stock market, and we're seeing major cryptos down 40% plus. This includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I don't think anyone saw this happening this fast. Now, I will say that I was expecting cryptos to fall lower, and in fact, if we go ahead and look at the chart that I had drawn out, guess what we see? It landed exactly on the uptrend line that I had drawn out. And this, as I said, is where we're going to have the bounce. If you don't believe me, you can go and look at my previous videos. I even drew it out right here to show that we were going to bounce off this uptrend line. And for right now, we're right on the uptrend line. So we haven't seen the exact bounce just yet. By all means, we are very low on the RSI, currently at 15 on the RSI. So we are below the 30 line. We're also very low on the MACD. And could we fall lower? Possibly. I mean, at this point, you have to realize that our Bollinger Band is at 6,500, our lower Bollinger Band. So we are we're almost $2,000 below our lower Bollinger Band. And if you know anything about technical analysis, that is very drastic, right? That's not a normal situation to be in. And I think that at this point, we're seeing a bit of an overreaction and a lot of panic selling going on in the crypto market. Now, I'm not 100% sure where we're going to see cryptos in a year or two with how everything's going on. Could we be at $3,000 Bitcoin in a year? Possibly. But from what we know from the technicals and from what I had drawn out in the past, this is exactly on par with what I had said, which was a drop down to the uptrend line at $5,000. I literally said that in my last video. And from there, we're going to see consolidation and, ups and downs moving towards $6,500 around April to May 2021 is where we're going to see us either break back to the upside or move lower again. And that is the technical plan as of right now. So for now, it seems like everything is happening within this pattern. And like I said, the only thing that I look out for is if we start to drop below this uptrend line, we could start heading down to $3,000. I really don't see Bitcoin heading lower than $3,000 at the absolute worst. In fact, I actually started loading up on Bitcoin at this uptrend line right now. I did not want to miss out on, a almost 50% drop overnight. Seems like a very big overreaction to me, especially considering that cryptos have not been, going skyrocketing as in the past, right? It's not like stocks that were completely overbought. Cryptos were relatively, within reasonable levels, and to see a drop like this is, I guess, within this pattern, but overall, overnight like that, seems like a big overreaction to me. So I'm buying at this, below $5,000 level, right on the uptrend line. It's the perfect area for me personally to get into this. And yes, it is risky because, like I said, who knows what could happen? We could fall to $3,000, but this is a long-term buy for me where I got in at this price, and I'm pretty happy with it. Now, keep in mind, this is not financial advice, so please, please, please trade and invest at your own risk. These are risky times where there is a lot of uncertainty, and I'm just showing you what I have been doing and what I'm seeing on the charts. As always, keeping you updated like I always said that I was going to do. And please subscribe for daily updates. I'm going to try to be covering this as much as possible, both cryptos and stocks. Just wanted to go over the Ethereum chart, as I'm sure a lot of you are wondering as well. We're going to go over that. Right now, we are heading very quickly down to that $75, $71 support level. We're obviously going to see supported around $100. So at this point, whether we're at $75 or $100 doesn't really make that big of a difference. What's really happening here is a move back to this support level at $75. So that's where I said is the most likely spot to see a more significant bounce. And yeah, just something to keep in mind there basically is that 75 level for Ethereum. Obviously, right now, we are not expecting it to go back up or anything like that as of right now. So that is kind of goes without saying that I wouldn't expect any of these cryptos to just skyrocket back up overnight. But Bitcoin specifically is at a support level. Litecoin, not looking too pretty here, lost the uptrend line support and moving below $30. So a little bit worrisome. We'll see if it gets a quick back above the uptrend line and back above $30. If it doesn't, things could get pretty ugly for Litecoin. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ripple now, see what's going on. And Ripple is currently dropping below its support level, actually now below 15 cents. I would say it's probably going to get back above 15 cents pretty quickly, but it is below any previous support levels right now, so not pretty either, right? We're basically very low here for Ripple. How much lower can we go? I mean, it's hard to say. I think this is already a pretty big overreaction in the crypto market as a whole, but obviously Bitcoin is, if there's any crypto that's going to hold up better than others, it's going to be Bitcoin. On top of that, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, to be fair, can be used during these times in case there is issues with, currency, right? Fiat currency. So that's another reason why you have to consider, well, how reasonable is this drop for cryptos, right? And obviously very fear-induced as of right now. Tezos, one that I've been buying even while it's been dropping, fell even more. This one got a pretty massive drop all the way down to $1.41. We are significantly below the lower Bollinger Band, coming right back towards a lot of support around this level. Don't see us necessarily moving much lower than this. Maybe at the very worst, going down to $1, which I feel would be a pretty nice buy-in point. And yeah, that's how I'm seeing it. At some point it becomes very tempting to get in. Obviously, it is risky, but I don't want to miss out on, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity here with some of these prices. So that's just what I'm doing personally, like I said. But around $1 and $1.50 is probably where we're going to hang around for Tezos for the significant future. I'm thinking at least 6 months to a year out, probably going to be pretty low on the price. With that being said, it does provide an entry opportunity. Not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for daily updates. Hit that bell notification. Also, check out my technical analysis master course if you want to be able to read the charts better. We have great reviews, 4.4 stars, less than $20, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Also, make sure to follow me on Twitter. I've been posting live market updates on there. Been very active recently. And I think that you could also benefit from following me on Twitter as well. I talked about the situation a little bit, where I saw everything going. I've been also buying some physical gold and silver. So that is where I'm at. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.